Pretend that you're following a new K-pop group. Their music sounds great. The visuals are astounding. Their chemistry is unmatched and the members embody the group's concept so well, you can't imagine the group without any of them. In some cases, you won't even have to imagine that, because that would actually happen. One beat later, and the group you treasured so much goes down a member, and suddenly it's as if they were never there in the first place, while you feel that we've skipped over some mourning period of someone you cared about. In certain K-pop groups, when a member is removed, their unique traits, whether vocal tone, visual positioning, fan appeal, or even stylistic quirks, are redistributed among the remaining members. This process is not only a survival mechanism, but a symbolic act of consumption, as the group absorbs the ex-member's value while simultaneously destroying their individuality. This is the case for many groups, with well-known examples being LE SSERAFIM, nmixx, and Idol. Kim Garam was the lead vocalist with a beautiful voice, displayed in tracks like Blue Flame and Sour Grapes. Her doll-like visuals made her the face of the group, representing their model-esque concept, and she seemed poised to become the center of LE SSERAFIM. Jinny was the first revealed member of JYP's long-awaited newest group. The dance skills she displayed in the group's first teaser went viral and made people intrigued, wondering who she was. Her striking visuals made her the center of nmixx, and her vocals shone boldly in their earlier releases. Soojin was Idol's main dancer, and the bridge between Soyeon's dominant stage presence and the other members' more subdued, elegant personas on stage. Her sultry visuals and calming persona made her one of the most popular members in Idol. If you look at the groups that they left, it's as if they were never there in the first place. These members that felt so integral to the group and brought a unique edge were suddenly unnecessary. Every member fulfills a type designed for maximum emotional support. When a member is removed, we don't mourn the person. We mourn the role they played. Idols are not perceived as people in the system, but as vessels for projected desire. Think of a group as a beast that cannot be seen limping. Losing a member creates a gap, a weakness. To maintain the illusion of wholeness, the group must consume the lost part. This could be someone else singing their lines, or their aesthetic and style being adopted by another. This is like digesting the missing part and metabolizing it into the group's body. There's a weird emotional aftermath to this. Fans who love the ex-member now find similar satisfaction in another member who was, quote, never liked that before. The parasocial attachment is transferred, almost like the emotional energy of a fan base being redirected intentionally. Examples of this might be Shuha from Idol, who fans claimed adopted Soojin's personality, or Eunchae, who took Garam's lines when she left, and even Jiwoo, who fans say shined when Jinny exited the group. They feed fans the same emotional experience, just from a new source. By rewriting history, editing out the ex-members from re-uploaded content, and omitting them from the official narratives, the industry reinforces the illusion that you were never emotionally attached to a real person. You were attached to an experience that can be curated, maintained, and sold again. The industry feeds on both sides. It devours both idols and fans. And while we all think we understand the depths of the parasocial nature of K-pop, no one can help but fall for the carefully designed emotional ecosystem, where even grief is redirected for profit.